Hello, my name is Kasia Avery and I do daily art journaling, and I would like to show you a quick flip through one of my junk journals that I use for my daily art practice. I've been doing daily art journaling for about 10 years now, with some breaks, I have to admit, of course, especially when I got pregnant, especially when I had my babies. But in general, I really try and stick to that routine, and it's not too ambitious and it's not too big. It usually is just 10 or 15 minutes of simple scribbling or making some marks. And each page that you'll see is probably done in quite a few sessions, so it takes me a while to fill that art journal in. But I know this daily art practice is extremely beneficial to my body, my soul, my well-being, so I don't like to let go of it. I know that this is what keeps my muse happy, this is what keeps my creativity in the flow, and it inspires my other pieces, my bigger art series, or my other work that is teaching and demonstrating. So this daily art journal is super important, and I've started doing that in a junk journal about 2 years ago, and I see this as a total game changer because it's so much more inspiring to me to work on a surface that's already different, to jump over that blank page obstacle, to not having to deal with any whiteness because there's already something going on. So here is one of my junk journals that I use for my daily art practice. Here you go, enjoy.